Hey, what's up, all you sharks? Welcome to Shark of Traders YouTube channel. I'm very excited to be breaking down ticker symbol SOS for the shark community today. SOS has a lot of promising things going on within their company. After doing a little bit more of a deep dive today, there's a lot of things that I think are going to help them, and they have different revenue streams that's going to help them on the fundamental aspect. If you want to learn and read more about that, check out my Twitter. It's Shark of Traders, same as our YouTube channel. But for today, we're just going to dive into the technicals. Okay? So first thing that we're going to review is we're going to start with our RSI. Okay? The RSI right now is holding under 50. As you can see here, it's 45. And unfortunately, lately, this 50 level has been extremely hard to break. It's been a strong resistance in the RSI indicator for SOS. Right now, until 50 can be broken and look for SOS to create 50 as a new support within the RSI, that's something that I would be considering for a buying opportunity. But for now, at least for the RSI, it's showing me a little bit of a bullish trend. We are uptrending, which I do like. We have made higher lows all the way through, so that is also positive. But it just needs to break 50 to show me that it has that opportunity for another run. All right, so next thing that we're going to look into is the stochastic. The stochastic, again, is under 50 as well. It is showing bullish signs where our faster K line has crossed our slower D line down here in an oversold territory. So that is good. That means it's bounced off that area and is looking to trend upwards. We do like that both these are trending in the right way, but we just are looking for them to break 50 for us to look to jump in. The next one, again, is MACD. MACD is showing bullish trends. Right here, our MACD line crossed our signal line, showing us bullish indicators. As you can see here, MACD bullish and our stochastic is bullish. But this still needs to break zero. Once we break zero, we might have that opportunity like these two of breaking 50 for that run up. But until it breaks zero, we still might be in a holding pattern. Let's go back and we're going to tie some things together. Let's go back before our initial run here on January 29th. You can see that the MACD crossed, which is very bullish, like we said. But it crossed in a area that is above zero, okay? Just like I was talking about before, I need it to cross zero before I am going to jump in. Same down here. Our stochastic is looking bullish as well. Our faster K line has crossed our D line, but it still hasn't crossed 50 yet, okay? And we're in that similar realm here, all right? But the biggest difference for the last run-up was our RSI was already above 50 and in the 62 realm and bounced off 50 strong, okay? That's the difference between where we're at before a run like this and where we're at now. We might be in a little bit more of a holding pattern for the time being. But we are trending in the right direction. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll break these down now that we've looked at those. Okay, and like I said, guys, we've said that our MACD is bullish, our stochastic is bullish, but the current sentiment for this stock is bearish, all right? And the reason why it's bearish is because it still needs to find a level of support above this 515 level, okay? That's this line. Once it can find that, then now we're thinking about, can we start to break out and reach what we did back in January? But until then, what we are watching for is, can we hold support here at this 394, the 200-day EMA? As long as we can basically consolidate and above that price level, it's a bullish sign if you're an SOS holder, okay? Because we were consolidating a long time before we ever had that breakout, okay? But we were also doing it around the 208 level. So if we now can double that up and we can break the 394 and keep that as a support moving forward, then 515 eventually has a good opportunity to be our support. We just need our RSI and our stochastic to break 50, and we will look to create our 50-day EMA as our new support. Once 515 is created as a support line, everybody, watch out. We have opportunities to do just like we did at the end of January, and I'm very excited about this stock. There's a lot of interesting things going on with SOS. I deeply encourage every shark to go ahead and do their homework on the company. But for the time being, guys, this is something that I'm excited about. Another thing that we are looking for is, do you see this volume run up? We're going to need something like that to break this 515 and then eventually look to hopefully start to trade within this 515, 715 level. All right, the shark algorithms right now is compressing. There we go. This is compiling some data since we moved the chart. But we're going to need this kind of significant multi-day volume spike, okay? And significant spike above what our average volume was. I mean, we're looking easily at a 15%, 60% increase for consecutive days. We've had that, and we had it here, but this run is within this compass, okay? We're starting to slow down volume now, and that's what I'm starting to look for, is now can we start to have these consecutive bull runs in volume to lead us to a larger price action just like we did here, okay? SOS is in the Shark Bank, and I will let everyone know when we get our newest buy alert. But for me, breaking down at least on the technical side, look at our MACD, looking at our stochastic, and looking at our relative strength index, I will not be buying anything until 505 can create a new support. Once 505 creates a new support, y'all, we have a really good opportunity to be trading within a very good risk-reward window, okay? 515 up to 750 is our next wall, and I really like that, rather than the risk-reward wall that we could potentially be playing between 394 and 515. All right, Sharks, I hope you guys enjoyed my breakdown. We do like SOS. Be patient. I will give everyone a buy alert when the algorithm fires. But also, go ahead and dive deep into some of the stuff that they're doing at the company. Some really interesting things. They're going to be launching pretty soon their own exchange. And check out my Twitter feed as well. Make sure to subscribe, you guys, to my channel and to get my daily technical analysis videos. Enjoy, guys. Have a great day.